Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements and welcome to another episode where today we're going to be talking about the NASDAQ 100 futures chart. Before I start today's video, I just want to say a huge congratulations to everyone who's part of my signal team. Today we close yet another buy signal here for the NASDAQ 100 in profit. We bought this yesterday actually down at 14,300 area, so 14,297 to be very precise, and I did actually have my take profit up around 14,700, but I've just taken profits now because we have run into a bit of trouble here coming into contact with the 200-day EMA. So this is an area where I do expect some profit taking to occur, and I'm more than happy to take profit. So a lovely 2.29% profit there. Also over on my signal team, I sent a buy signal a few months ago. I think it was on the 14th of January. Where was it? Let's see. Let's go all the way back to the 14th of January. It was around this area here where I put this buy signal out. I did actually have a take profit up around $230 with a stop loss at around 140. But today I have decided to take profits here for CrowdStrike, meaning we've just gained 25.51%. So, tremendous progress here for my signal group. And if you are wanting to join my signal team, please head over to my website, dailymarketmovements.com. The website link is in the description of today's video. I charge a very small fee of $29.99. And believe me, if you would have subscribed to my signal group over the past 2 months, you would have earned that $29.99 back in no time. Let's just have a quick look before we get into our before we get into the NASDAQ 100, but this month alone we're up 36.28%, meaning year on year we're up 49.42%. That is outrageous, considering the fact that the broader markets, the NASDAQ 100 here, for example, is still down about 13%, 12.5% for the year. So really good progress, and again a massive well done to everyone in my signal team who managed to capitalize on those trades over the past couple of days. But let's talk about the NASDAQ 100 here. Now I can get rid of that trade. NASDAQ 100, as I just mentioned, has risen significantly during today's trading session again, and this is fantastic. This to me tells me that we have bottomed here at 13,000. There's still a lot of talk out there that we're going to go and retest the bottom. Personally, I just don't see it. The market is acting way too strong. We've had Jerome Powell come out sounding a lot more hawkish, but I feel like he just cleared up a lot of uncertainty in the market at this moment in time. And I think traders like that. And, we are continuing to see more and more strength here for the NASDAQ 100. And I think if we can break above the 200-day EMA in the sessions to come, this is an area where you really will see a lot of corporate money come back into the market. A lot of this money that's been sitting on the sideline for the past couple of months or years, that is when I think that will, basically confirm the complete change in trend here for the NASDAQ 100 and the broader markets. If we just quickly look over at the S&P 500, S&P 500 has cleared both the 200 and the 50-day EMA, and you can almost see that now that 200-day EMA is starting to slope upwards. So it's a very good sign here. And it wasn't actually long ago when I actually said that when we have that death cross here for the 50 and 200-day EMA, the NASDAQ 100 is very unique, and because it actually offers the best buying signal when this occurs. So if we look at when this actually occurred, it was actually on the sessions low here for the NASDAQ 100. It was on the 24th of February when, of course, Russia invaded Ukraine, and we did see that low at around 13,000. So if you would have bought during this trading session when we got that death cross, you would be, significantly trading in profit at this moment in time. This is something I did say. You can even go back to February 24th when I posted the video. I said, typically for the NASDAQ 100, when the death cross actually occurs, which is, typically a very, very bad thing, for the NASDAQ 100, it's actually vice versa. It's the complete opposite. It actually signals the best time to buy. And we saw that all the way back in 2020 when we had the death cross here, which was basically April the 7th. And again, that's when we had this low session down here. And if you would have bought then, at this moment in time, you will be a very, very rich individual. So NASDAQ 100, phenomenal performance so far this week. It's all about breaking above the 200-day EMA. I also want to point out the fact that we have now broken above the 0.382 fib level, meaning that the next target, of course, is that 0.5 fib level, which is all the way up at 14,900. Let's call it 15,000. So I think if we can break above the 200-day EMA, you will see a very fast move up towards 15,000. And once you break up above there, then I think you go and test 15,300, and that, of course, is the top of this B leg on this ABC correction that we've been forming over the past couple of weeks. Nevertheless, guys, there are going to be some fantastic money-making opportunities on the horizon here for the NASDAQ 100. So as I mentioned at the start of today's video, if you are wanting to join my signal service, head over to dailymarketmovements.com.